Starter key. Lower the squeegee. Lower the brush head. Start the brush head and squeegee. The screen displays the brush head and squeegee function icons. The machine defaults to forward travel on startup, with the screen arrow pointing upward. Adjust the travel speed. When the sensor point is touched, the indicator light will change from red to blue. Operation may now begin. Brush diameter 505 millimeters. Squeegee width 830 millimeters. Touch the sensor point with one hand to travel forward effortlessly. How to reverse? First, deactivate the brush head and squeegee functions. Then select reverse direction. The screen will now display a downward pointing arrow. Now touch the sensor point to move the machine in reverse.